Hello, I'd like to say good evening again to my wonderful, renowned new Facebook online audience for what I like to call the third installment of my wonderful features of Jukebox Chronicles Episode 3, which tonight I've selected a very special feature for my entire listener and audience, regional, and hopefully it will grow to a national one. I've selected by popular recommendation from my dad himself, Simon and Garfunkel's Sounds of Silence, a world-renowned young duo of the 1960s with their rural, historic folk lyrics really defined the generation of that time period of the 1960s and in that decade by inspirational drawing of the times and news events currently happening around in the United States, nationally, and around the world. And Simon and Garfunkel not only inspired what it was like growing up at that time, but often wrote whispering words of wisdom throughout their songs that everyone could relate to and find some kind of deep and inspirational pleasure within. So without any further ado, for your listening pleasure, I'd like to present The Sound of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel.
My old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. Restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stared by the flash of a neon light, spreading of silence.